Hi everyone, welcome back to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be cooking Nom Banh Bev, the top made of mung bean and coconut shreds. You can serve the cake with roasted sesame seeds and thick coconut milk dipping sauce. Now let's get started with the mung bean filling. Here is half a pound peeled mung beans. Clean it well until you get clear water. After cleaning, soak it in the water for 5 hours or an overnight. After an overnight, the mung beans double its size, so you can clean it again. Time to make the fillings. First, add 1 1/4 cup water. 1 1/4 cup coconut milk. Stir to combine it over medium heat. Then add half a teaspoon salt. 4 tablespoons or 60 grams sugar. The filling is slightly sweet. It is very delicious. Salt and sugar are melted. Put soaked mung beans in. Frequently stir it until you have less water. Watch it out, it is easy to get burned. It is almost done, so you can add 7-ounce coconut shreds. Stir to combine it until it stops sticking to the pan. It's done now. Remove it from the stove and let it cool down. Time to make the outer parts. Add 1 1/4 cup rice flour. 6 tablespoons tapioca starch. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 4 tablespoons sugar. Stir to combine the dry ingredients. Pour 1 1/4 cup water in. 1 1/4 cup coconut milk. Stir to combine everything. The mixture is done, so you can prepare it for steaming. Bring a half pot of water to a boil. When the water is boiling, put the steamer on. Steam the small bowls for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the moist from the bowls. Then pour the batter in each bowls. Then steam it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later it's cooked, so you can put the mung bean filling on top of each cake. You can put more or less of the filling of your choice. Cover the lid and steam it again for another 3 more minutes. It's cooked now, so let it cool down, then remove it from the bowls. As I told you earlier, we will serve it with roasted sesame seeds or thick coconut cream dipping sauce. Banh Bev cakes are done. Thank you for watching. If you have any idea, please leave it down in the comment box below. If you like this video, please share it with your loved ones. Bye.